So what have you heard about Tigernut drink? Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel and thank you so much for coming back to watch my video once again. So from the title or from my intro, then I guess you already know what we are making today. And with the month coming to an end, I couldn't wait to share this incredible Tigernut drink with you, which is also packed with amazing health benefits. So if this sounds like something you would love, then please sit back, relax, and then enjoy. Thank you. So I was supposed to soak the Tigernut for a day before the recipe, but somehow it slipped my mind. So on the morning of filming, around 9 a.m., I soaked 3 cups of tiger nuts for about 7 hours and they turned out just fine. You can see me adding a cup of water. I also added some ginger to soak along with them. Then I proceeded to deseed my dates. I would recommend that you soak the dates for about 30 minutes unless you want it really soft. And for the date, you need to cut them into 2 equal parts before you can remove the seeds out of it. So moving on, after about 7 hours, I started by thoroughly washing the ginger. So since ginger peels have lots of health benefits. I usually don't peel them especially when I'm making a juice or a drink. So instead, I'll carefully wash the ginger under running water for about 2 or 3 times. Then I'll set it aside. So moving on, the next thing to clean will be my tiger nut. I'll be washing them under running water for about 3 to 4 times. And I'm also making sure to remove any bad ones from it. You don't want to change the taste of our drink. Reason why it's important to remove all the bad ones from it. So once it's clean, I'll set it aside and then I'll quickly rinse the date as well. Moving on, the next thing to do will be to blend my ingredients. So in the blender, I added 3 cups of tiger nuts, followed by a cup of ginger. The next thing I added was some dates and then some calabash nutmeg. I don't really recall the next ingredient, but I'll write it down. So I also added some grains of selim and a few cloves. The next ingredient to add was coconut. I used one whole coconut. You know that old hard type. That's what I used. And after I was done, I added a cup of water and I'll be blending this until it's very smooth. If you don't have a powerful blender, I would recommend blending them in batches for best results. You can also use a juicer. Yes, a slow juicer I would say works perfectly fine. After blending, I strained the mixture using a cheesecloth. The reason why I prefer using a cheesecloth is that it makes the process much easier, but you can use any strainer of your choice. I added a little amount of water to help loosen it a bit and also so that I can get enough juice from this. You also notice that I didn't add everything at once. So I wanted to keep the batch manageable, making it very easy to strain. And also, we need to squeeze out as much juice or drink as possible. So once I was done, I discarded the chaff and rinsed the cheesecloth before straining the second batch. And I pour the mixture into the cheesecloth like you've seen. I also rinsed the blender with just a little amount of water and squeeze the remaining juice out. I just wanted to make sure there's no chaff left. So after straining, I strain it for the second time using the cheesecloth. Remember, I had to wash once again. And as you can see, after straining, there's nothing left in there. Everything is clean, clean, clean. That is the happy side of using a cheesecloth. No stress at all, no stress. And for serving, you can enjoy this drink either hot or cold. Personally, I love mine cold. And before I forget, you can add some dry pepper like mekodwane if you like, and it enhances its flavor, making it taste just like millet drink. If you're here and still watching, I truly appreciate all the love. Please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe, and also tell your friends about it. And this drink can last up to a week or more in the fridge. But if you add banana, it's best you consume it within a day or two. And adding banana also takes it to another level. So if you want it just for a day or two, you can actually add it. To serve, I grabbed some ice from my freezer and added them to my glass. I also topped it with my creamy and delicious Tigernut milk. And just like that, you've made yourself a refreshing and nutritious drink. Now, aside from being known as a natural aphrodisiac, what are some of the myths that you've heard about Tigernut drink? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to hear about other amazing benefits you've come across. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. I truly appreciate your love and support. And yes, we still continue with more exciting recipes as Easter approaches. So just stay tuned and be sure to check out other amazing recipes already on the channel. Thank you for sticking with me during or throughout the Ghana month recipes. See you in my next video and have a blissful week. Bye bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.